In this video, you will learn the voice leading of the leading tone, submediant, and mediant triads in root and first position. The leading tone triad is a diminished triad which occurs in both major and minor scales. The chord is used with a dominant function. It may also be used as a linear embellishing chord. The triad is almost always in first inversion. The root position is rare, and the second inversion is virtually never used. The third is usually doubled, as the root and fifth are tendency tones. The root of the chord, which is the leading tone, always resolves up stepwise. One of the thirds of the chord generally moves up stepwise, and the other third of the chord moves down stepwise in contrary motion. The fifth of the chord, though a tendency tone, typically is freely resolved, moving up stepwise to the fifth of the tonic chord. However, in this example, in which the tritone is in the outer voices, the tritone resolves. The 7/6 easily moves to a 5/7 to a 1. Compare the alto and the bass in these progressions. A root position 1 chord to a first inversion 7 diminished chord, to a first inversion 1 chord, to a first inversion 7 diminished chord, to a root position 1 chord. In major, the 3 chord, the mediant triad, is minor. 3 chord is major in natural minor. In major, the 6 chord, the submediant, is minor. The 6 chord is major in natural minor. The 6 chord is usually preceded by the 3, 1, or 5 chord, and is followed by the 2, 5, or 4 chord. Here, the 6 chord is preceded by the 1 chord and followed by the first inversion 2 chord, and this progression ends on a 5 chord. The 3 chord is usually preceded by the 1 chord, or 6 chord, and is usually followed by the 4 chord, or 6 chord. Here, the 3 chord is preceded by the 1 chord and followed by the 4 chord. Let us fill in the progression with the chords we have learned in the Music Theory 1 playlist so far. I will give you the chords, bass line, and the melody. The chord progression is in D major. The chord progression is 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 7, 1. Now pause the video and try to fill in the alto and tenor parts. 3, 2, 1. Let us play through the progression. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.